Hello friends, welcome back. I have brought this new tripod from Digitek. The price of this tripod is 1895, but I have brought this at rupees 1500, that is 1500. Let's talk about the specs of this tripod. So starting from the weight, the maximum weight or the maximum load it takes is 5 kg. The maximum height is 700 mm. Folded height is 615. Then maximum tube diameter is 26.5. Then minimum tube diameter is 20 mm and weight is 1.2 kg that it can hold. So let us unbox this tripod. So I have opened this from the box. As you can see here, this is the back. It's of good quality. Also you can take this anywhere else. The straps are good. So here is the chain. So let us remove it. So here is the tripod here, and here is the mobile adapter. So this one is the old adapter that I had, and this is the mount on which we can mount this mobile adapter. So it comes with this tripod. So the overall build quality is very good, and this is the aluminum material, as you can see. And here is the grab handle. You can take it anywhere else like this. So let's see this tripod, how it looks like. So this is how it looks, as you can see. So this is the handle, and this is the lock of that handle. You can loosen this screw here to move this handle here and there. Means you can pan here and there, and if you want to lock at certain position, you can tighten this knob here like this, and now it is not going to move, as you can see here. Then you can also lock this thing like this, so that it will remain locked in its position, and now you can see that it is not moving here. Then if you want to shoot vertically, you can also shoot vertically also. You can loosen this screw here like this, and then move this up like this in a 90 degree, or whichever degree you want, like this, in 45 degree or 90 degree, and then tighten this screw here. So in this way you can shoot this in vertical, as you can see. Also you can see here there is a level indicator. You can see there is a bubble inside there. You can move it like this manually, so in order to adjust the position, or you can adjust to the horizontal position. So in this way you can do it. Now it is in the middle, the bubble is in the middle here. So this is the adapter mount. As you can see, there is a screw here, and this is the common thread for all the cameras and mobile holders, as you can see. And then there is this small little pin here, so that it can hold the camera or lock the position of it, avoiding it turning here and there. So I'm going to put here, and this is my old tripod camera adapter or mobile adapter. I'm going to fit here like this, and then I'm going to tighten it. So in this way it has got locked here, it's locked tightly. And then here is the lever, as you can see here. Okay, so you can push it here like this, and then move this lever outside, and then press it back. Now it is locked inside completely. As you can see, it is not moving here, and it is stable now, as you can see. So in this way you can use it. If you want to increase the height of the tripod, then use this lever, just turn it like this, and you can see that the tripod height is getting bigger and bigger. So in this way it will look like this. then move it down like this. And then lock the position inside here. So in this way the tripod is very easy to use. If you are looking for a tripod, then you can definitely buy this, and I like this tripod. This tripod is available in the offline market and online market also, so you can definitely buy this one, and it is great value for money. As you can see, this can be used for the camera also, any type of camera.